Okay, so I'm thinking you really don't need to see my face for this unboxing that I'm about to do. Just got this from Amazon Prime. And let's do the peel back and check it out. Straight into it. What's this? Win a free order writing us a review. I had to send them this video. Pretty sturdy. What could it be? If I could do this with one hand, I'm not as skilled and stuff. You can see I like to collect things. I have the collector's edition. Oh yeah, this real good quality. This is the collector's edition of God of War here. Oh yeah, very nice. Ooh. Dang, can you see what that is? This is like almost exact. Need an assistant. I probably should have set this up on a tripod. This is very good quality packaging. Sorry about that. This is good quality packaging. These. Oh, this. Oh, it feels like. Can you tell what that is? That's crazy. Dang, feel the quality. Oh, my bad. This is. Dang. Need a selfie stick to look at this. That's what's up. Got the little fake hair in the, you know what I'm saying? This feels, look, these are rubber, but they look like they're hot, right? But this is good quality right here. That's crazy. Let's see how it fit. Wait, before I turn it on, why is it so blurry? Yeah, before I try it on, you can adjust it. Look at it's like the hair here. And I'm about to try this on. You feel me? I like this though. This is a solid quality product. Yeah, this is good right here. Look at that. Can't feel none of that. You will have to adjust this, but of course it's supposed to fit your face, so why not adjust it? Everything not one size fit all the time. Which actually makes it a solid product. Alright. I like it. So not sure what I'm supposed to do next, but I'll greatly appreciate this thing. It's great.